Hey everybody, welcome back to Nicsminibikes. We went to the Go Power Sports 180 practice day a few weeks back, and our coil died on us, so we stole a coil out of our B200 to keep practicing on RSV. So the coil that's on here needs to come off and go back on the B200, and we need to replace the coil on this one. So I went ahead and I splurged on a Karts hot coil, so that's going to go on here today. So that's enough of that. Come along for the ride, and let's knock this stuff out. So this hot coil install is pretty straightforward. We're just going to take the fan shroud off. Unplug this one. Wow. Unplug the spark plug. Take our ground wire off. And we'll unplug our coil there. I don't know if I have what kind of connection I have here. We'll have to pull this apart and see what we got. Let's do that right now. If I got a butt connector in here or if I soldered it, I don't know. I soldered it. Okay, that's fine. Get the two coil bolts out. Our ground wire. Got a new one of those. This is still a good coil that'll go back on the B200. Now we'll just get out our new hot coil. It's a Paul's hot coil that I got from NR Racing. Link will be in the description below. So I was hoping just to reuse this wire, but it's not going to work. I'll show you why. Let's I can show you on the coils themselves. So our connector here is a small spade, and our connector on this one is a large spade. This coil is way bigger than this coil. I don't know. It's a hot coil. I've always been kind of skeptical of these, but see what happens. We'll feed this through here. And get one of these bolts started. Take our Pulse Karts ground wire, and I'm noticing we've almost rubbed through this fuel line here. So we're gonna have to do something about that sooner or later too, before the race. I don't know why this is so long, but it's long. So it comes with this little note. It says hot coil installation, install coil and set gap to 65 thousandths. So that's what we're gonna do. 65 thousandths seems a little much to me, but never installed a hot coil before, so do what it says. So I've got a 30 thou and a 35 thou. Add them together, 65 thou. I do one leg at a time. I'm never gonna get this to bend to get that in there, nor do I really feel like fighting with it to do that. So we might end up a little more than 65, but I got a feeling that it'll be okay. So we got 65 on both of those. We'll snug them down. Now we just got to kind of figure out how we want these to roll. I'm going to go with that, like that. I don't think it really matters how you route these, just whatever looks like it's going to work best for you. That's how you should do it. Fan shout is broken right there. I might pull another one and put it on there eventually, but for now, we'll just run what we got. Cable, there it is. So this has a female bullet on it. I might give this a snip, add another male bullet there, just so we can plug that in. We'll get that later though. Right now, we're just going to finish this up. We'll just hang our wire from there for now. Put that one in for looks for now. I'm going to have to replace this. I'm also thinking I might open this side a little bit more where that fuel line's going through. So there's that coil. I'm not going to bore you with hooking this wire up. I'm just going to cut this, put a male bullet connector here. That way I can plug straight in. And if anything happens, I can just unplug it and not have an issue. So that's the plan there. That's good. So that's all I'm going to have time for today. We'll get this put away. So that's going to do it for this episode of Nicsminibikes. If you haven't yet, hit that link down in the description. Go pick you up some merchandise. We got hats, shirts, hoodies, all kinds of good stuff. Go get you something. So we got that Paul's hot coil installed from NR Racing on the Coleman B200 RSV. I don't know. Hopefully it works out good for us. I don't know what makes them a hot coil, but it says hot coil, so hopefully it's a hot coil. I don't know. Not a fan of the ground strap that came with it. I think it's way too long. It doesn't need to be that long. I might switch mine back out with it because it's way shorter and it just kind of hugs the block better and gets out of the way. Also found a stripped bolt for the fan shroud. I'll have to order some easy lock thread inserts and get that fixed. And I see the fan shroud is basically cutting our fuel line, so I'll have to replace that fuel line and do something with that fan shroud to protect that fuel line a little better. We don't need that fuel line splitting mid-race and causing a fire on the bike, burning it to the ground, things like that. So that's something we'll definitely be addressing. So if you liked the video, hit that like button, smash that subscribe button. It's free for you. It helps us out. Leave me a comment, tell me what you think, and appreciate you watching. We'll catch you on the next one.